Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where my food is healthy, easy and quick. Today, it's easy, it's quick, not so healthy, but still every now and again, we deserve it. Cookies, who does not love them? Today, it's white chocolate caramel cookies. We start with flour, brown sugar, butter, salt, baking soda, baking powder, vanilla, and finally, egg. Using an ice cream scoop, we're gonna scoop it onto baking paper. And now it's gonna go into a preheated oven, 180 degrees for 15 minutes. My cookies have cooled and they are yummy. Now, I just wanna make one note. When the 15 minutes pass, they will be soft to the touch. Don't panic and put them for longer. Once they cool down, they will harden a bit more. This is perfection. Enjoy.